My son decided to escape out of his pen, so now we have mommy-son bonding time, right? And the little sucker was chasing my little 3-month-old baby goats and trying to peck at them. What do you have to say for yourself? Why are you bullying these tiny little babies? Huh? Does it make you feel cool? It's very rude of you. He also likes to go after some of my chickens. What do you have to say about that? Huh? You're not going to have a nice soft bed to sleep in much longer. You're going to be sleeping out here in the field. Because he can't put you with the ducks, because you've already tried to kill one of my ducks. Why are you so mean? Please explain to the people why you're such a jerk. There is no reason for it. He's great with humans, has never tried to bite me. It's just everything else. Gregory. And to the people, why are you a jerk?